What if you could access every advertising tool you need in one place? AdStorm All-Inclusive makes this possible. This comprehensive platform combines powerful features into a single solution. No more juggling multiple tools. No more paying for separate services. Just one platform handling everything from ad creation to campaign optimization. But here is the secret: most users only scratch the surface. Imagine having the ability to create, manage, and scale all your ad campaigns from one simple dashboard. With AdStorm All-Inclusive, this becomes your reality. The platform offers advanced targeting options, AI-powered ad creation tools, and real-time analytics tracking. No more guessing what works. No more wasted ad spend. Just proven strategies delivering consistent results. But why do so many marketers struggle to see real ROI? The answer is simple yet eye-opening. They do not understand the full capabilities of all-in-one platforms. They do not know how to integrate the different features for maximum impact. And they certainly do not know how to leverage the data to make informed decisions. The truth is, advertising has become more complex. You need a solution that simplifies the process while providing powerful results. AdStorm All-Inclusive provides exactly that. Discover how to use its comprehensive suite of tools to create ads that convert at higher rates. Learn the art of cross-platform campaign management that saves you time and money. Master the techniques that turn data into actionable insights. But be warned, this is not just another ad tool. It is a complete ecosystem that requires understanding to unlock its full potential. So what is the secret to making AdStorm All-Inclusive work for you? It is not just about the features. It is about how you use them together. Top marketers do not just use individual tools, they create synergies between them. They do not just look at data, they interpret it strategically. And they do not just run campaigns, they optimize them continuously across all platforms. Are you ready to join their ranks and start seeing real results? The opportunity is here. The platform is powerful, but there is a catch. You need to understand its full scope. AdStorm All-Inclusive offers features most users never discover or utilize. These hidden capabilities can transform your advertising results overnight, but only if you know how to access and use them effectively. The system includes everything from ad templates to detailed audience insights and analytics. But the real power comes from understanding how these elements work together synergistically. What makes your audience engage? What makes them convert? AdStorm All-Inclusive gives you the tools, but you must apply them strategically to succeed. The knowledge is there, you just need to unlock it now. Your competition is already using these integrated strategies to great success. The question is, will you join them? The opportunity to dominate your market is here. The tools are available, the data is at your fingertips, but time is running out. The advertising landscape changes fast. Do not get left behind. Start your AdStorm All-Inclusive journey today and experience the power of true all-in-one advertising now. 9:49 p.m.